Good morning, people from YouTube. Caesar Sandoval back with a brand new video. It's been a while because I've been not posting videos. I hardly play my guitar anymore. Well, I still practice. I just don't record stuff anymore. Um, Today I decided to record a new video because I found these chips and I wanted to do a review. Cheddar jalapeno flavored Lay's. Let's get to it. Shirtless Mondays. How you guys been? Hope you guys been good. Smell like cheddar. There's some spiciness to it. Here's how it looks. Looks chippy. Let's see. Check this out. So basically, you get the flavor of the cheddar, which isn't that strong. It's not a cheddary chip. But the flavor comes out more when the oil of the chip comes out and is released. The oil brings up the cheddar flavor. And as you're chewing them, you get flakes of jalapeno. I don't know if you can see them. Those are all jalapeno flakes. And that starts sizzling on your mouth. But it's not spicy, but I could see you getting a little heat if you were to run into these chips on the first go or something. Which I think is okay. Maybe you're not expecting a very hot chip, because jalapenos are really hot. But this kind of balances the flavor. So you get the flavor of the jalapeno, but it doesn't burn your mouth or anything. But it's there. They should add more cheddar flavor. A little bit more. But it is a lay. It is a potato chip. It's not covered in cheese or anything. Like like um like Ritz, or what do you call it? Ruffles. See my nipple. So I give these a 5 out of 10. Uh, you do taste more cheddar if you have more handfuls. Instead of just eating them one by one. You could taste more cheddar. So I give them a 6. Lay's cheddar jalapeno. Grab them if you can. Oh. Thanks for watching my video. Leave a like, subscribe, post a comment. Tell me your opinions. If you try this chip, tell me what you think. Yeah. See you guys on the next one.